Now one last thing about tightening down your toilet seat. Okay, everything's all done, everything's been put away. I'm getting ready to walk out of here. Now, if you use this toilet all the time, great. Just check it after a month or so. Month and a half, 6 weeks, whatever. Make sure that it's still snug. Sometimes the first time you tighten everything down in a month, it might want to have a tendency, or a month and a half, 2 months, might have a tendency to slide a little bit. You look over here, hey, son of a gun, how come it's over there? And you look at it, and it seems like the screws are tight and stuff. It's just the nature of the beast. You may have to loosen it up again, reposition it, tighten it back down. Maybe you didn't get it as tight as you thought you got it, or something like that. Just kind of keep an eye on it. Everything's plastic nowadays. The nuts are plastic, the threads are plastic. But I think with that little insert that I put down in there on the toilet bowl, that's going to kind of hold it to a certain extent, a little bit tighter. I don't know, might. And maybe that's why they put it on this particular one. Okay, so just kind of take a look at it, and every once in a while, every 6 months or a year, just kind of keep your eye on the toilet. If you got 2 or 3 toilets in your house, chances are if you go and look in one of the toilets right now, it's probably not nicely straight, and maybe you're like, oh, okay, I see what he's talking about. I should tighten those up, or maybe one's loose or it's tight, but you just need to adjust it, okay? Very simple to do. Anybody should be able to do it, okay? Even you. Hey, well, I hope you learned something on this video. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And I tell you, every time I come in and do something, I always like to have my video camera around. Because why? Because it might save you some money. See you next time.